Welcome to lapree Beauty. We are so excited to have you inside our community, and I'm going to show you around. Let's get started. So when you first join the community, you're going to see our welcome page, and that's going to show you a little bit about where to find everything and also instructions on how to get our app, which is really cool that you can just open your phone, get access to the app anytime, whether you're an iPhone or an Android. So instructions are right there. It's super easy to download on your phone. If you want to ask any questions, your question portion is right here with the little hand up. And we do have a bank of questions, so feel free to ask your questions here. We look forward to hearing from you guys. Now, let's go into the lapree Insider. This is where you're going to find blog posts and everything going on that's it's kind of like a bonus for fun things that are happening and fun facts and everything that's surprising that we just pop up in lapree. So I know you're going to enjoy that. So make sure to follow along. There's the bank of everything that we've done in the past too. So lots of amazing blog posts that go over skincare and makeup and wellness topics overall. The next icon here is discount product codes. This is a good one. So all of our community members have access to our exclusive discounts just for you. All of these are for all the products. So just click on the space, anything that interests you. These are our partnerships that we have really worked hard for you. And then you can get some really deep discounts. Just look at the instructions on how to get those codes. Everything, as you know, we do a weekly podcast. So if you would love to listen to past podcasts, which go into deeper knowledge about certain topics, they're right here, all here for you in the podcast library. And you are welcome to listen to it straight from your app as well, or on your home computer. Terms and conditions are here next. So feel free to please look over that. Now we're going to get to the good stuff. That was good before, but now we're really going to get into good stuff. Here's our skincare video library. You're going to have access to all the videos that I do to help you have amazing, glowy, gorgeous skin. So just follow along. The entire library will be set here. And then your weekly new video for the week will be on a schedule, and it's going to say the month and then the weekly skincare video, and then it's going to give you the week of, and you'll just get a notification of that. Either if you enable your desktop notifications, and you're also getting the email, and you're going to just hit play either on your app or on your computer, as well as once you click into it, you'll get instructions on how to perform that wonderful skincare video of the week. We're so excited to share that with you, for you to have radiant, glowy skin, and of course with that anti-aging component. Now we're going to take you to Skin School. We want you to learn about ingredients as well. So head to Skin School. Your bank of all the ingredients that we do a deep dive will be in numerical order from A to Z, or alphabetical order, I should say. But we're also doing numerical order. So just to let you know, start with 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's not overwhelming. And you are going to have both a short Cliff Note version of the product ingredient, as well as a deeper dive into each ingredient. So you can feel free to just kind of skim over with the Cliff Note version just to kind of get a grasp on what the ingredient is. But if you really want to study the ingredient, we really go into a deep dive with that. So we are so excited to educate you on skincare inside the community. I hope this was helpful for you. And again, if you have any questions, you can put your questions inside, ask your questions here, or you can send us a DM as well, a message inside the membership. You can do that as well, so we can respond back to you. We are so excited to have you here. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you inside the community.